Welcome back. Let's edit caricatures in PicsArt, a photo editing app. So let's say if we have this caricature of two people engaged in an engagement where a man proposes to a woman on the left, and then we're going to plaster the faces with new faces of new people, and then we're going to turn the faces into cartoon faces using an app called Voila, just like this. And then tap on the 2D cartoon mode so that, these are new faces. For example, you want to edit the caricature so that, your face and a face of your partner, for instance, will be turned into cartoon faces, and then it will plaster the faces of the original caricature. Let's turn this face of the man first on the top right. While it's processing, you can choose from this one, or this one. I like this one, so tap on the export icon on the top right, and then you save it. Tap on save, and then let's do the same for the picture of the girl, which is this one. And then you can choose, any of these. I like this one. So tap on the export icon, tap on save, you're done. And then go back to PicsArt. And then we simply use this one, the original picture, the original caricature, and then we can add some pictures into it. Add photo. Pick this one. And then tap on add when you're done. Tap on remove background. There you go. And then, simply zoom it in. And then you simply plaster the face of this dude in the original caricature with this picture of this dude that we're editing, just like this. And then we can actually erase some parts. And then head over to the eraser tool, just like this. Let's erase some parts of this caricature, just like this. Then when you're done, tap on the check mark icon, and then do the same for the girl. All we have to do now is to, tap on apply first, and then add more pictures by tapping on add photo, and then do the same for this girl. Add, and then remove the background. Afterwards, simply put it here so that it's located on top of the face in the original caricature, and then use the eraser tool. Delete some parts again. Alright, when you're done, tap on the check mark and then tap on apply. Alright, cool. The cartoon faces have plastered the faces in the original caricature, just like this. Oh, fancy. And now you can actually do the same if you want to edit a picture of yourself with your partner. And then it will bring some, some amazing touch to the picture that you edit. That's how you can edit caricatures in PicsArt. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.